Welcome SYBC student. In previous lecture we have studied decimal number system, binary number system and their conversion to each other. Now in this lecture we study the hexadecimal number system. Hexadecimal number system. The hexadecimal number system has a base of 16 which require 16 distinct symbols to represent the numbers. The symbols are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, then A, B, C, D, E and F. So this chart shows the decimal number system, then hexadecimal number system, and this is the binary number system. Now the hexadecimal number system is written by adding H after the number, like 42H or 42 base 16. Then we consider binary to hexadecimal conversion. In this conversion, we start from LSB or binary point and make a group of 4 bits each and replace each 4 bit group by the equivalent hexadecimal digit. So this can be understand if we take the example. So we consider example: convert 1011011011 base 2, that is binary number, to hexadecimal number. Solution: we have to make a group of 4 bits. So group, we start from binary point to the left side, then we make group of 4 digit, that is 1101, 1011, then 0101. So here is only 2 digit, so we add to the left side 00, then we will get 0010, 1101, 1011, and we have to convert each group to hex number. So this is the 2, this has the value D and this has the value B. So we write the result is 2DB hexa, H means hexa, or 2DB to the base 16. Okay. Then we consider second example: convert this binary number having decimal point base 2 to hexadecimal. So let us make a group of 4 bits, and that groups are 0010, then 1111, then 1011, then write to the decimal point, write 0111, and next is 1100. So we have to convert into hex number. So 0010 has the value 2, then 1111 has value F, then 1011 has value B, then write to the decimal point 0111 has value 7 and 1100 has value C. So the result is 2 FB decimal point 7 C, and this is hexa, or we write in this format 2 FB point 0 C having base 16. The next point is hexadecimal to binary conversion. To convert a hexadecimal number to binary, replace each hex digit by its 4-bit binary group. Consider example: convert 4BAC hex to binary. In solution we write separate number 4BA and C. So the value of 4 in binary is 0100, then B has value 1011, A has value 1010, and C has value 1100. So the result is 0100, 1011, 1010, the base 2. So here we have converted this hexadecimal number into binary number. Then next, hexadecimal to decimal conversion. So hexadecimal to decimal conversion. To convert hexadecimal number to decimal, multiply each digit in the hex number by its position, weight and all those product terms. So we consider the example. Convert 5C7 hex to decimal. So how to convert this? We consider the solution. Multiply each digit of 5C7 by its position, weight and product terms. So I will write this. 5C hex equal to 5 into 16 raised to 2 plus C into 16 raised to 1 plus 7 into 16 raised to 0. So in next step we write 5 into 16 raised to 2 plus C as the value 12 into 16 raised to 1 plus 7 into 16 raised to 0. So this has the value 1280 plus 192 plus 7 equal to 1479 to the base 10. Okay. Then next we consider binary coded decimal system, shortly called as a BCD. The 8421 code is a type of binary coded decimal. Okay, so this 8421 is also called as the binary coded decimal system and is composed of 4 bits having binary weights 2 raised to 3, 2 raised to 2, 2 raised to 1 and 2 raised to 0. So we consider example, and from that example we consider the BCD system. Convert decimal number 348 base 10 in BCD. So in answer we write this 348. Then this 3 has value 0011, 4 has value 0100 and 8 has value 1000. So here this is clear. 3 has value 0011, then 4 has value 0100, then 8 has value 1000. Okay. Hence BCD code is adding this all number. That means writing this all number. Write 0011, 01, 001, 000 to the base 2. Okay. Because second example, find the decimal represented by BCD code, that is 11 4 times 0 110. So here we have to convert this binary number into decimal. So here we have to make group of 4 bits from LSB. So number is like this. So we make group of 4 bit 0 110 0001 and last is 0, and then we put to the left side 3 zeros. So this become 4 digit. Then first number has the value 1, this second has value 8 and third has value 6. Therefore decimal equivalent of 114 times 0 110 base 2 equal to 186 to the base 10. The next part we consider sign magnitude representation. So in this sign magnitude representation in binary number system, an additional bit is used as the sign bit and it is placed as the most significant bit. That means when we have to denote the sign magnitude, then we have to put one additional bit to the as the most significant bit. First we consider 0. When 0 is used to represent positive number, that means when there is 0 as the most significant bit, then it is represented as positive, and 1 is used to represent negative number. When there is a 1 as the most significant bit, then it represents as the negative number. For example, consider number 01000100 represent positive number. That means here is 0 shown by red color. This 0 is most significant bit, so this represents the positive number. In this number, the leftmost 0 indicate that the number is positive. Okay. If in a binary number the A base B is 1, then given binary number is negative. For example, consider the binary number 1 1 0 0 0 1 0 0. Okay, then shown by red color this 1 that represent the negative number. Okay.